Divorce can feel like the end of a chapter, but it's also the beginning of a new one. If you're navigating life after divorce, this video is for you. Today, we'll explore 3 steps to help you rebuild, rediscover, and move forward with confidence. Welcome to Ties and Threads, where we help you weave stronger, healthier connections, even after life's challenges. Divorce can be tough, but it's also an opportunity to rebuild your life and create something new. Let's talk about how to take those first steps toward healing and renewal. Step 1. Grieve and reflect. It's important to allow yourself time to grieve the loss of your relationship. Suppressing emotions can delay healing. Reflect on what happened, what you've learned, and how you've grown. How to do it. Journaling, speaking with a trusted friend, or seeking therapy can help you process your feelings and gain clarity. Step 2. Rediscover your passions. Divorce can leave you questioning your identity. This is the perfect time to rediscover the activities, hobbies, and dreams that make you feel alive. Focus on what brings you joy and fulfillment. How to do it. Try a new hobby, revisit an old passion, or challenge yourself with something you've always wanted to do. Step 3. Build a supportive community. Starting over doesn't mean doing it alone. Surround yourself with people who uplift and encourage you. A strong support system can make all the difference as you rebuild your life. Reconnect with old friends, join a local group, or participate in events that align with your interests. Building connections can open doors to new opportunities. Starting over after divorce isn't easy, but it's also a chance to rediscover who you are and create the life you deserve. By grieving and reflecting, rediscovering your passions, and surrounding yourself with a supportive community, you'll find your way forward. What step are you focusing on in your journey right now? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to support you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Ties and Threads, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new episode. Let's build stronger connections and brighter futures together.